Hey guys, I'm sober now. Last night I was like super happy. I woke up and I got these updates in the middle of the night, and you saw my reaction. I was super happy. But then I couldn't sleep the whole night. I kept thinking about it, and there's so much to talk about. I've been wanting to talk about a lot of things for the last 2 weeks now, but I was waiting for a trigger. Yesterday, what happened? The updates that you got from ICSE about the reduced syllabus was the trigger. Uh, let's first things first. I am happy that you guys are happy and relieved that the syllabus has been reduced. From marks point of view, कि अगर आप एक ऐसे सिस्टम में हो जहाँ मार्क्स मैटर करते हैं, जहाँ ग्रेड्स मैटर करते हैं, परसेंटेज मैटर करता है, सो येस, it's good that the syllabus has been reduced. But from knowledge point of view, imagine अगर रामायणा होती syllabus में, एंड सिर्फ हाफ रामायणा पढ़ा लिया एंड बोलते कि नहीं, नाउ वीव कट ऑफ द एंडिंग यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी. लाइफ टाइम तक किसी को पता ही नहीं चलता रावण का फेट क्या हुआ, लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड टू हिम इवेंचुअली. That's exactly what will happen with this batch of 10th graders, This batch of 10th graders, several years later, when someone will be talking about Troilus and Cressida, people will know about them. But ICSE के ये batch के लोग argue करेंगे, नहीं हमारा तो syllabus बीच में काट दिया, हमें तो पता ही नहीं आगे क्या होता है. Reproduction, what was ICSE thinking? कि हाँ यार ये लोग तो students है, practically सीख जाएंगे बड़े होके. This is the right age to learn about reproduction. Construction, I really don't understand maths, but I'm guessing from the word itself that it's important. It's construction, so once again, I know that it's awesome news. I'm an English teacher, so I'm really happy that the syllabus has been reduced from marks point of view, because it becomes easier for kids to now cover up their portion in time, study in time, and get good scores. But from knowledge point of view, honestly, this was a terrible thing to be done. ICSE could have made amendments in the exam pattern. You guys could have come up with an easy way of grading kids this year. There were several things that could have been done, but it's not done, unfortunately. So I just have an appeal here to make kids, it's just an appeal. Please don't leave Merchant of Venice midway. Finish it off. पढ़ लो यार, आगे पूरा प्ले कंप्लीट करो. तुम्हें एग्जाम नहीं देनी है उसके बारे में, तुम्हें मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे, ऑल दैट इज फाइन. But it's important कि जो चीज तुमने स्टार्ट किया उसको खत्म करो. You all know the story, right? I don't want to get into details, but you all know the story of this caterpillar, right, turning into a butterfly. When a child who's kind-hearted watches the struggle of a caterpillar getting out of a cocoon, every child will try and help the caterpillar. Okay, yaar bahut struggle kara, I'll cut off the cocoon so it comes out. But that's not the way to help it, because then the wings are not stronger. The greater the struggle of the caterpillar turning into a butterfly, the greater the struggle of it coming out of the cocoon, the stronger the wings become of a butterfly. So in life, थोड़ा struggle तो बनता है यार. I mean, अब क्या होगा ना, तुम लोगों को marks आ जाएंगे. People will get 98%, people will get 100 on 100 in literature, but ये वो batch होगा जिनको पता ही नहीं है Merchant of Venice का ending क्या है, या Abu Ben Adam is a brilliant poem, वो नहीं पता है लोगों को. And see, again, don't think that, sir, एक मिनट, आप वही इंसान हो ना जो कल रात को नाच रहे थे. हाँ, मैं अभी भी नाच रहा हूँ. आई एम स्टिल हैप्पी, that you guys are relieved. But why that? So those people who are thinking, sir, why did they reduce it? Like, ये मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला, जो लोग पढ़ते हैं, जिनके यहाँ टीचिंग अच्छी होती है, जिनके यहाँ टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं ठीक से, वो लोग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा पोर्शन क्यों कंप्लीट किया. लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स ऑल्सो फील दैट यार मेरा कवर हो जाता है, आई वुड हैव इजीली प्लान्ड इट एंड कवर्ड इट. आई माई सेल्फ वुड हैव कवर्ड एक्ट 5 until the next month. मेरा खत्म हो जाता अब तक. But what we fail to realize is, when we watch a message or when we read a message, we think it's just about us. But it's not just about you. We are talking about the whole country here. There are a lot of people in a lot of parts of the country who are not getting access to good teaching. There are teachers who are struggling to finish the portion. There are teachers who are struggling with net connection. There are students who are struggling to get good quality education. तो वो सबको नजर में रख के, it makes sense that the portion has been reduced, to be fair to them. But once again, I don't think that knowledge-wise it's going to help you. I mean, this batch is suffering the most when it comes to knowledge. But then again, it's up to you, isn't it? When it comes to marks also, मैं समझ सकता हूँ जब तुम 20% ब्लेम टीचर्स पे डालते हो, बट 80% तो तुम पे डिपेंड करता है ना. आज एक 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को जब एक्ट 1 के बेसिक्स नहीं आते, he can't blame his 9th grade teacher. Somewhere the blame is on you also, because you are not bothering to read it. All you are worried about is marks, कि मैं वो marks चाहिए. that's not how you approach the boards or education. Forget the boards. Boards is a corrupt system. तुम अपने life के बारे में सोचो. Try and gain quality education. Okay, which brings me to the next part of this conversation. अब क्या करना है? You know, because we have 4 months left for this year to end. 4 months नहीं, 3.5 months. And then boards होगा नहीं होगा कुछ पता नहीं है. One thing 2020 has taught you is to stop predicting. You know, stop asking कि सर क्या हो सकता है? आपको लग रहा है बोर्ड्स होगा? सर कैसे बोर्ड्स होगा? पेपर्स कैसे लिखेंगे? कुछ नहीं पता. जेई वालों ने भी बहुत शोर शराबा किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. इट्स अ सिस्टम, इट्स करप्ट, यू नो, एंड इट्स अनफेयर टू एवरीबॉडी. आई गेट इट. तो बेटर थिंग इज लिव इन द प्रेजेंट, फॉरगेट अबाउट क्या होने वाला है, बट एक्ट स्मार्ट. यू नो, नाउ थिंक अबाउट योरसेल्फ. अब तुम्हारे पास टाइम है, पैन इट आउट. मैं जानता हूं स्टडीज पॉसिबल नहीं है, बोलना बहुत आसान है, मेरे लिए बोलना बहुत आसान है, पढ़ाई करो, बट व्हेन यू सिट विद बुक्स थॉट्स चलने लगते हैं, डिस्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं, मौसम इतना ब्यूटीफुल होता है, यू डोंट फील लाइक स्टडिंग, और some people don't have the facilities. A lot of you stay in one room kitchens, a lot of you have big houses, but let's consider that you are somebody who has a lot of people in the house, there's a lot of distraction all the time, a lot of casualties happening in the house, people are sick, people are not well. You can't assume that just because you haven't got COVID तो तुम्हारे life में ऐसा कोई student नहीं है जिसके घर पे struggles नहीं हो रहे. A lot of people go through a lot of deaths at this time, a lot of people have a lot of struggles I don't want to talk about, but amidst all these struggles you have to think about yourself also. So start स्मॉल, थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टार्ट करो, एक एक चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करो, बेसिक से स्टार्ट करो. स्टॉप मेकिंग प्लान्स. वो प्लानर्स ना सबसे यूजलेस चीज है. जब तुम एक प्लान बनाते हो कि आज मैं इतना पढ़ूंगा, आज मैं इतना पढ़ूंगा, फिर वो आज जब इतना नहीं पढ़ते हो वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है, फिर वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है. उससे अच्छा स्टॉप वेस्टिंग टाइम इन मेकिंग प्लान्स. बुक लो और पढ़ो, एंजॉय करो. ये समझ ले बोर्ड्स नहीं होगा, चल बोर्ड्स नहीं होगा, तो डू यू वांट टू बी अ पर्सन विदाउट एनी नॉलेज? यू नो, प्रेशर ना जब हट जाता ना दिमाग में से तो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ जाता है चीजों में. सो नाउ इंटरेस्ट के साथ पढ़िए. 4 महीने चैप्टर्स पढ़ने लग, स्टोरीज पढ़ने लग. फॉरगेट अबाउट द एग्जाम, जस्ट रीड, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स अगेन. Talk to your teachers. I constantly try and say this again and again. Not all teachers are bad. You know, a lot of teachers want to help you if you communicate with them. And communicate in the right way. Don't try and act over smart. A lot of kids, you know, जब ये सुनते हैं, oh, teachers like it when we ask doubts, वो लोग बेहुदा doubts पूछते हैं. Just पूछने के खातिर पूछ रहे हैं ताकि show off कर सके कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Teachers बेवकूफ नहीं है, हम समझ जाते हैं कौन genuine है कौन नहीं है. If you genuinely want to work hard, listen to the plan that your teacher has for you. Trust the teacher, you know, and trust yourself. Start somewhere. बात रही ISC की, a lot of times when I talk, a lot of ISC kids tell me, so you never address the ISC people. It's not that. It's just that after 10th standard, I automatically assume that kids have become more mature. You know, you've gone through the struggle of ICSE. ISC is just a replica of ICSE, same study pattern, everything's the same, just the portion becomes a bit more tough than it was in ICSE. ठीक है, but ISC का portion reduction इसीलिए इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता जितना ICSE का होता है, because not all ICSE schools are ISC. Only a few quality schools get the approval of turning into an ISC school. So we automatically assume कि ISC teachers are coping with the portion well. इसीलिए तुम्हारा portion इतना reduce नहीं होता, because it's important कि तुम cover कर लोगे. It's obvious that तुम cover कर लोगे. You know, so don't feel that you're being left out. Instructions are the same for everybody. तुम ISC में हो तो भी तुम्हें पढ़ाई तो कहीं start करनी होगी ना. That's ISC. And रही बात 9th standard की, because in one of the comments I read, people are asking, sir, 9th के syllabus का क्या? This year 9th is not boards, so it's not coming from the board exams. So all you have to do, if you feel your school has not been teaching you properly, or the school has been rushing with the portion, teachers are not teaching properly, ask your parents to approach the school and ask them to reduce the syllabus. It's in the hands of the school. You know, 9th का सिलेबस इस बार स्कूल क्या पूछती है फाइनल्स में, क्या ओमिट करती है, चाहे वो बोर्ड्स को डायरेक्टली बोले या ना बोले, इट्स ऑल इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द स्कूल. So it depends on how good your principal is, how good your school is with you. So your parents have to approach the school, you have to approach the school, and ICSE is not going to reduce anything, because ultimate syllabus of 9th standard तो already declare हो ही गया है. फिर वो स्कूल पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर उनका Act 3 तक हुआ नहीं है, सपोज मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ आपको, कि अगर Act 3 तक नहीं हुआ तो स्कूल विल नॉट गिव Act 3. वो लोग बोलेंगे हाँ पोर्शन में है, बट द स्कूल शुड हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट दे शुड आस्क ओनली फ्रॉम Act 1 and Act 2. हाँ, मैं एक करप्ट सिस्टम की बात कर रहा हूँ, बट दैट्स एग्जैक्टली हाउ द होल एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज राइट नाउ. You know, so I wanted to talk about all these things. Stop blaming people. I'm talking about those people जो बोलते हैं कि सर मुझसे पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, सर टीचर्स मार्क्स नहीं ले, टीचर्स पढ़ा नहीं रहे. हो गई वो सारी बात, हम लोग ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि ये साल ही वियर्ड है. You know, सिलेबस भी रिड्यूस हो गया, बट अब आप डिसाइड करो whether you want to keep pursuing marks, whether you want to be that person with 100%, 100 on 100 in English literature, but don't know how the play ends, don't know certain poems, all summer in a day. मैंने तो पढ़ा लिया मेरे बच्चों को, but it's such a beautiful story. In 10th grade, it's very important that you approach the story the right way, because it's all about bullying, and you need to know how, you shouldn't be the person, who's in the wrong. As Margot was suffering because of those people like William, you should be the ones who should not do it. I know I'm not making sense to those who have not read the story, but agar aap padhoge to you'll come to know how important that story is. Okay, so yes, I'm very very happy कि आप लोग का pressure कम हो गया, you are relieved, but I also want you guys to think about this, reflect on this. What kind of a person do you want to grow up to be? Do you want to be a batch of, do you want to belong to batch of 2021 जिनको correct knowledge नहीं मिला because you want to keep blaming the education system, or do you want to focus on the right things? The remaining months, start, अगर literature portion कम हो गया, start focusing on your language skills, start focusing on subject to verb agreement. This is one topic, अगर तुम इसको ठीक से करते हो, whether you're in 9th or 10th, I don't care, but subject to verb agreement, prepositions, indirect and direct speech, these 3 topics form the crux of your basic English. अगर ये topics तुम्हारे strong हो गए, तो तुम्हारा basic English stronger hoga. You'll be able to write better essays. Don't go the wrong way. Don't go about it the wrong way. Don't start practicing 10 essays a day. Focus on your grammar first. Grammar improve hoga, to essays improve honge, to letters improve hoga, to writing skills improve hoga. Focus on your grammar. Now you have time. You have time to prepare better. All right? So I love you guys. I hope this made sense to you. Alright, if you have any queries, ask me. If you're thinking, sir, ये सब चीज़ में आपने बोला ही नहीं, portion reduction क्या है, मेरे को वो official notice पढ़ने में बहुत बोर होता है, don't worry, you can just text me, or I'll put up a link in my message. You can approach these profiles. They have already cut down, they have made it simpler for you. So they've put it up in posts, what is cancelled, what isn't cancelled. Okay, so I'm not talking about that. I'll just put up a link. You can click on that link, or you can approach that profile and you can see what you need to see. I just wanted to talk about what's more relevant, education. All right, so I love you, and stay safe and take care. Bye.